Done. Bog it in. Slap some bog on there, she'll be right.
Right, so it's been a while since we've done an update on Jaysen's RX2, but as you can see, it is currently being worked on. So some of the major changes include finishing off the tubs and firewall. It's all welded in now. So Jaysen's just finishing off the driver's side. Andrew's making templates for the passenger side. And yeah, then it's not long until it's going to get sent off for more fab work. It's going to go down to the South Island to get some Vinny Fab special. Oh yeah, not bad, young fellow. It fits up nicely.
Almost. Just trying to take some meat off it.
And the level of welding that's going on is probably a little overkill for what's really needed, but with the amount of power the thing's going to be putting out, I guess Jaysen's after all the strength he can get.
Close but not quite. I'm trying to like do two like even as a curve, and that's like far from even a curve. You know, it's like a sharper at the top, smoother at the bottom.
Tapered and
this is like nice and even, but not.
Looks pretty good so far.
Is but not.
And Jaysen's got another piece of the puzzle.
Plastic bag. Follow. Ding. This is our latest toy.
Damn, that's bling, eh?
G35.
They're actually a much like smaller, more compact unit than the Borgs, eh? But it's packs a punch.
I might look at if you put that down there.
Yeah, it's a good choice, I think, because it gives you a lot more options in the engine bay to place for placement.
Yeah.
So it's a G35 1050 or whatever. So it's got the bigger exhaust housing.
Mm-hmm.
Is that for your Skyline, bro?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Funny guy.
Skyline.
That's so cool. Turbo Envy.
Pretty bling. It's because my driver's backed the truck into debt.
Oh, was that on Blair's car? Is that Blair's?
Yeah, this is Blair's headlight mount for the wagon.
Oh well. Those tubs didn't last long.
It says choice of sauces. I want hot, spicy.
Oh, good. That's good.
Yeah, somewhere there. Nah, not very well. Give it a bit more.
Oh dear. That's it. Fire!
It's so funny, as soon as you start welding, you can feel the steel like pull.
Yeah.
Like, drop directly down onto my hand. Just gonna put my
Where's Blair? We can get Blair to go get your hot rag.
Warm flannel. Why are you hiding your face, James?
So don't look at the welding.
Dirty mix.
Do you reckon we just spray this, bro?
Spray it.
Black.
Yeah, it'll stand out otherwise. Is that top or side mounted?
Top.
It's quite big. Is it a, do you know what model that is?
Don't know, Spark Shop.
So another day, another video. As you can see, the PP is back with Stu Lorden. That was a good little mission. I'm much weaker than I remembered. A few new bruises, carrying that engine around, but good fun, and it's up in Stu's capable hands. Get going.
Oh, sorry mate. I was just changing clothes because so people think we're actually on day 2 or 3, but it's actually the same day we're filming. Multiple days on the same day because we're so behind in filming. What we did a road trip, as you've probably seen, up to see Stu. Just give the engine a freshen up. You know, it's been in the car for 4 or 5 years now, 4 years. Hasn't seen a lot of Ks, but you know, it's lived life at 10k RPM. So for peace of mind, we're going to freshen it up. Can't really take second chances on those engines. So the minute you have anything that kind of partially becomes a little worse of wear, that can be quite catastrophic due to the high RPMs you're pushing the engines to. So yeah, just safety proofing really. For those of you don't know, maybe most of you will know, but he's a bit of a Kiwi legend as far as rotaries. He's a bit of a pioneer of rotary engine building in his own respect and own space. He's proven for many years on the drag strip, street, track, you know, builds really tough engines, and this is where this engine came from. So we're just sending it back there because the engine's out really. It's that simple. It's out. I don't want to have to take it out again.
So obviously the engine build will take a wee while. Stu's already cracked into it and given Blair a call today to share some of the insights as to what that engine build's actually going to look like, because he actually cracked it open overnight, which is awesome. Today is a bit more simple though. There's a bit of sound deadening to be removed from the inside to get that nice and clean. Any kind of rust removed and painted in preparation for new carpet. So that's the deal for today. So we'll crack into it. And as per the wise sage, every metal piece was painted.
Yep, every metal piece will be painted.
Not bad progress. Tunnel's looking pretty naked, and it's quite good quality metal under there. No major damage, or no damage at all really. So here's an idea. This is literally just off the trans tunnel. It's just one side. So it's coming off quite easily actually. Don't have to do anything tricky with dry ice or heat guns or anything. We're just using a chisel and
Good old Kiwi muscle.
Kiwi muscle, yeah, just flying through. So we'll carry on with that, and not much left to do.
Blue for all day, Corey.
Yeah mate, knuckles are a bit raw.
Blown away by
We'll survive.
that came off.
Blair's a happy man.
Okay, so I'm going to pretend to be working.
Yeah.
That's really stupid. Thanks for all those who commented on the video, on the colour. Yeah, lots of variety going on there, including NZ Bus Green. Yeah, awesome, one of you did get it right, so we'll be in touch with some merch coming your way. So yeah, thanks heaps for the interest, and yeah, keep it up, we love it.
There were some pretty wild guesses, but it was quite scary that someone actually managed to get it, and I'm guessing they are in the industry for them to have picked it up.
Exceptional eye for colour.
Well, I guess once you've seen it in the wild, you'll kind of go, ah, yes, that's definitely it.
Yes, I've seen it in the wild, that's definitely Christmas tree green.
Definitely, NZ Bus Green.
Yeah, forest green.
Wow.
Yes. But no, he did well to get it. No. That's a big improvement. Huge improvement. But yeah, really impressive actually. X and O's.
Yes, show the camera. Turn it around.
Nice. That's awesome. Thank you, John. Great packaging. 10 out of 10. Nice paper bag. It's awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much, John. Best business to deal with ever.
Hey.
Don't know why he's got lots of banana ones in there. Is he trying to tell us something? He's put the banana ones in the pack and then the other ones on their own. Could be a hidden message. So, awesome beefy nuts
Hardware.
and bolts, hardware, cha-ching. Hot off the press.
Thanks for the lollies, John. I don't know why Brad got all the banana ones though. I'm sure that's an inside joke.